Hi, George. Hi, George. George, hi. George, hi.
Well, how are you doing? It's me, the Ramen Raider. And it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. This is a special Oishii curry cup noodle. As you can see, it's got this band around the top. This is not just your standard curry cup noodle. It is different. So now you know, and knowing is the battle. This one takes 3 minutes, 300 mils of water. Pretty standard for Japanese cup varietals. Here we go. Right to there. There. If you get plastic cups, hang on to them. They can be very useful when you've got to make cup noodles after you've done scans of the packaging and they're not ones that just come off the outside of the cup, you know. I know you all scan your instant noodle packaging, don't you? Put it on a flatbed scanner, a tabloid-sized one, so you only have to do one pass? No? Well, that's what I do. I don't know, I like doing it. I like what I do. Beverage. But yeah, I was talking about going to the thrift store all the time on the last episode. And yeah, I used to... God, I bought all sorts of crazy junk at thrift stores over the years. I used to live up in Anacortes, which is about an hour and a half north of Seattle-ish. And there were two thrift stores, the Kiwanis Shop and the Seroptimist. And they're open on Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm sure they still are. But oh my God, all the crap that I dragged home from there. Because, you know, I didn't have like a ton of money. I was a kid. So I'd go down there and be like, hey, there's like this ancient computer. Carry it home. Get all sore. I got what was it? A Lowry organ. And me and my buddy, I think I got it for like 25 bucks. And me and my buddy borrowed, I don't think we ever gave it back. But it was just like a platform made out of like, what do you call it? A pallet that somebody screwed a few holes into and put like caster wheels from like an office chair into the bottom of it. And then we pushed it. It's almost maybe a mile. We were like pushing this like old Lowry organ up the road. One of the neighbors and one of the casters broke, and our neighbor saw it, and she helped us get it back to my pad, which was cool. But yeah, that was, oh my God, that was years ago. But I've gotten so much crap at thrift stores over the years. Some of it actually really decent. What's the best thing I've gotten at the thrift store? Oh, my bread machine. Probably one of the best things. It's like a $300 bread machine. I got it for, with tax included, like 27 bucks. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. Gotten weird laptops, and I like finding like weird little old school quirky electronic devices and stuff. But yeah, today I got a steam cleaner and a little handheld one. I thought it, because my wife mentioned she wanted something to steam the wrinkles out of her blouses for like her work clothes. And it was just like, hey, this must be that. But no, I guess it's for like steam cleaning things. So not a clothing wrinkle getter ridder. But you know, what can you do? But hopefully it'll be useful for something, because we have it now. I could return it for store credit. That'd be kind of interesting. So here is our curry Oishii cup noodle. Stirring and stirring. I'm guessing this one just has more junk with it. I don't don't know what the whole deal is. I just don't know. But let's just throw it in the bowl and I'll sample it in the bowl. I don't know how far I want to go with this one. That's about as good as I'm going to get it. Okay. There you are. Look at it go. Whoa. Tripping out yet? I know I am. Okay. Man, I hate it when that happens. What am I referring to? The sludge. And that happens a lot. I mean, even if I made it in the initial cup that it came with, you get this cup noodle sludge that just doesn't want to mix in. But we'll give it its comb over and get the sludge where it needs to go. What do we got here? It looks like we have potato. Pretty well hydrated. There's another piece of potato, I think. Yep. And that's not one. Is it all just potato? I thought I saw some egg. I have to be honest, potato and instant noodles just seems kind of sacrilegious. A little bit of carrot. Let's try the noodle. Yep. Now the broth. Oh my God, they're just pounding on the door today, ladies and gentlemen. All the stuff that they want to deliver to us. They have so many things to give to us. My guess is that was FedEx. Let's add some egg. Go to our friend the eggist. So I want to use all my eggs today because I need to make more eggs tomorrow. Oh, see, that happens sometimes. This one was very not totally done, so I'm gonna. This doesn't always work out. Oh man, see what happens? Sometimes it just doesn't work out. Sometimes it does. Oh wait, is that it? That's it. There we are. Yep. No yolk. Oh, and I can only use that on this because the next one is actually going to have its own special chaku that comes with. By the way, my favorite term, dude, it comes with. Where'd you get that? Oh, it comes with. Oh, yeah. I don't think that that term translates to anywhere else. I think that's a strictly U.S. westernized term. Sizzle. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just going to be nice and add a little more. And I've got another piece of Naruto. Naruto Maki. God, I make myself so nervous because it's like I just used the egg, but I still have to close the lid for the little plastic doohickey that I have the egg stored in. And I really don't want to knock it over because that would be a cataclysmic mess of marinade. You like the marinade? I sure do. There you go. Anyways, that's what we have for that one. That's the third of 4 that I'm doing this day. And there will be more to come, but watch it go. Oh yeah. Cool, thank you for watching. The next one you're going to see is this super fancy one that came from InstantRamen.jp from a fella named Frank. He does the whole 5 a.m. ramen thing over in Japan. This guy knows good stuff. He goes to find like the best instant varieties, as well as has a blog all about the best ramen shops and stuff over there. This is one of his picks. This is Marushan in collaboration with Try, which I think is like Tokyo Ramen something. This is Toy Box Shoyu, and it's considered one of the finest shoyus out there as far as an instant. And he also mentions in his write-up that is some of the best chashu you will find at an instant, period. So I'm very much looking forward to this. You can go over to instantramen.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a nice little discount. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.